Welcome to Combo 8. Let's do the entire combo first so that you can see what it's going to look like. Starting with a basic spin. Land on your feet. Do swizzle stick 2 times. Step out, kick, body wave, and sit. Now, let's break it down. Put your strong arm, in my case, the right arm, on top. Your weaker arm will be approximately across the chest. Hook the inside leg at the knee and press forward with your bum. If I show it from the side, you will see that you want your whole body to push forward, not backwards. Now, once you've got a good grip, this is called the baseball grip or the basic grip, pushing forward with the bum, then basically you're going to fall around the pole, picking up the outside leg and pointing the toes, and then come up again. Now, be sure to have the bum forward, not backwards. This will be a little bit uncomfortable. And as you spin, we can almost break it down, looking like this. You want the knees open and the toes together at the back. Let's do the spin again. Strong arm, weak arm, falling forward, spin, put the feet together and come up with the pelvic area first. From here you're going to do swizzle sticks, stepping forward with the right foot or the inside leg first and then turn towards the pole. Now repeat, stepping forward, inside leg, toes first and turn. From here, going into the step out kick, stepping forward, kick with the outside leg and land. Comfortably facing the pole, going into a body wave and sit. The body wave, you want to get the feeling of going forward with your nose and slightly pushing out your bum. Arch back with your head as you connect then the chest, then the tummy, and then go sit. Let's do this in a flowy motion once more. Basic spin, land on the toes, up, swizzle, swizzle, step out kick, body wave, and sit. Be sure to practice each move individually before you do the combo. Have fun.